At Capital One, innovation is very much part of our DNA. We believe that in order to continue to enhance the customer experience, we have to be very closely connected with the innovative ecosystem. And a key part of that ecosystem is startups and other venture capitalists. At Capital One Ventures, we bring practical experience and insights to the table. A lot of us have been entrepreneurs, I've been an entrepreneur, and we recognize the importance of that. We spend a lot of time with our entrepreneurs understanding their business and understanding the needs of Capital One before we actually engage in a truly thoughtful manner. But we think that building a corporate venture capital unit that allows a partnership to develop with the startup company, where the startup company can learn alongside Capital One can learn alongside that startup company. We can provide different ways by which we can actually help the startup company's solution scale, as well as give them access across the organization in a way that's absolutely consistent so that they know that we can serve as that entry point to different areas within Capital One was absolutely critical. As we think about what we want to deliver and our goals for Capital One Ventures, it's very much around guiding startups and how we can actually deliver massive value to the startup company. And at the same time, figure out how we can deliver a lot of value for Capital One's customers. Now that's a journey. Our team is very connected to the broader Capital One organization, whether it's the technology organization, whether it's the security organization, the data, or whether it's a line of business. And that's really, really critical for us because it allows us to understand what the priorities are within Capital One, but also it allows us to very quickly work with startups to figure out if we can deliver value to them over the next few years as well.